name of my invention is Phone Clock 55. The purpose of my invention is because my phone, I can't hear when I have to go to school. This is how my invention works. I have a bottle and I cut a hole in it. Then I put my phone in the bottle. Right there. I put the phone right there, but it won't. And then it goes off, and then I open the lid, and then it goes out. This invention will help others by helping kids get up when it's time for school.